I'm Eva. Today, I'll walk you through how you can use our resume builder as the ultimate launchpad for your career. Start building your resume by quickly filling out some basic information about yourself and your work experience. Many of us already have an old resume sitting on our computers. Instead of retyping everything, you can simply upload your resume and start improving it with helpful tips and AI tools. Our software takes just a few seconds to read your data and automatically fills in each section of your resume to give you an easy head start. The Resume Genius Builder offers 32 different templates, ranging from creative and modern to more traditional. Every template is designed in-house and vetted by HR experts. This ensures your resume is ATS-friendly and arranged in a way that's easy for hiring managers to review. Customize whichever template you pick, right down to the fonts, margins, and color. You can choose your template at the start or end of the process and preview your resume as you make changes in real time. You can also save a lot of time using our AI writing tool to fill in your main resume sections. Type in your previous job title and you'll get a list of bullet points that you can then add to your resume. If you want to personalize them, for example, like adding numbers that quantify your achievements, simply click and edit them. Same thing with your skills section. Choose from our suggested skills or enhance with AI to get more options for better phrasing. You don't need to include any AI writing if you don't want to. Just skip and fill in the section yourself. Once you're happy with how everything looks, download your resume in your preferred format. After that, you'll be taken to your personal dashboard. You can create new versions of your resume and generate matching cover letters. Our cover letter generator uses the same template and data from your resume to instantly create a cohesive, professional cover letter. The ultimate goal isn't just making a resume, it's to land a job. That's why we've integrated job matching directly into the app. This is where our software goes from being a resume builder to a full-blown job search assistant. We are constantly rolling out new features to the Resume Genius dashboard, like an in-app resume review. So there you have it. You get expert-backed designs, AI writing help, and the tools to actually get hired. Good luck on your job hunt.